Hello friends, myself Ritesh Padwar. I am from Guru Govind Singh Polytechnic Nasik. Me and my teammates are going to perform the PPT on parallel operation of two small single phase transformers. Our course title is Electric Motor and Transformer, and the PPT is presented by Tanmay Shinde, Ritesh Padwar and Tushar Bhamre, and our subject is guided by Professor S.M. More sir. Introduction. For parallel connection of transformers, primary windings of the transformers are connected to the source bus bars and secondary windings are connected to the load bus bars. Sometimes it becomes necessary to connect more than one transformer in parallel. For example, for supplying excess load of the rating of existing transformer, if two or more transformers are connected to the same supply on the primary side and to a same load on the secondary side, then it is called as parallel operation of transformers. Why parallel operations of transformers is needed? First, increase load. When load is increased and it exceeds to the capacity of existing transformer, another transformer may be connected in parallel with existing transformer to supply the increased load. Second, non-availability of large transformer. If a large transformer is not available which can meet the total requirement of load, two or more small transformers can be connected in parallel to increase the capacity. Third, increased reliability. If multiple transformers are running in parallel and a fault occurs in transformer, then the other parallel transformers still continue to serve the load, and the faulty transformer can be taken out for the maintenance. Fourth, transportation is easier for small transformers. If installation site is located far away, then transportation of smaller unit is easier and may be economical.
Circuit diagram of parallel operation of transformer. Here we use common supply to both of the transformer. Here primary winding of transformer A is connected to the transformer B, and same as secondary winding of transformer A is connected to the transformer B, and we connected common load on both of the transformers. Advantages of parallel operation of transformers. First advantage, it maximizes electrical system availability. If numbers of transformers run in parallel, one can take shut down any one of them for maintenance purpose. Other parallel transformer in system will serve the load without total eruption of power. Maximize power system reliability. If any one of the transformers run in parallel is tripped due to fault, other parallel transformers in the system will share the load, hence power supply may not be interrupted if the shared loads do not make their transformers overloaded. And third and last advantage, maximize electrical system flexibility. In future demand is decreased, transformers running in parallel can be removed from system to balance the capital investment and its return.
Disadvantages of parallel operation of transformer: increasing short circuit current that increase necessary breaker capacity, the risk of circulating current running from one transformer to another transformer, circulation current that load capability and increase losses. The bus rating could be high. Paralleling transformer reduce the transformer impedance significant. That is, parallel transformer may have very low impedance, which create the high short circuit current. Therefore, some circuit limiter are needed. Example: reactor, fuse, high impedance buses, etc. The control and protection of three units in parallel is more complex. It is not common practice in the industry. Conduction of parallel operation of transformer: the voltage transformer ratio of both transformer must be same, the polarity must be same, the percentage impedance should be same, the vector diagram and the phase displacement must be shared, the phase sequence must be same. Thank you.